Today I'd like to talk about how to introduce yourself when you first meet somebody. So there's two ways to do it, depending on who it is that you're meeting and what type of relationship you have with them. So we're going to talk about how to introduce yourself in a formal setting, and secondly, how to introduce yourself in an informal setting. So that's like with friends, family, people your own age that you're more comfortable around. Okay, so initially, say you are meeting somebody that's a colleague, a business associate. First thing you're going to want to say is your name. So you would say, my name is, mi chiamo, and then your name. So mi chiamo Laura, my name is Laura. And then you may follow up with, it's a pleasure to meet you. So in English, we say, it's a pleasure to meet you. But in Italian, they can simply say piacere. Or if you want to say a little bit longer version, you may say piacere di conoscerla. It's a pleasure to meet you. Piacere di conoscerla. If you want to ask them how they are, you would, again in the formal, you'd say, how are you? So you'd say, come sta lei? How are you? Lei, it just means you in the formal sense of Italian. If you want to say, I'm well, thank you, you'd say, sto bene, grazie, e lei? So you say, I'm well, thank you, and you? And if you would like to say where you're from and ask them where they are from, you may say something like, io sono da Canada. I'm from Canada. E lei, and where are you from, basically you're saying, and you? Di dove lei, where are you from? And if it's the daytime, you may say, buona giornata, means have a nice day. If it's the evening time, you would say, buona serata, means have a nice evening. So arrivederci means I'll see you again, or I'll see you another time. And buona serata or buona giornata, depending on the time of day. If it's an informal setting, if you're just meeting a new friend for the first time, or extended family maybe, you would use the informal. So informally, if you meet somebody, you're going to say, instead of my name is, you say I am. So sono Laura. I am Laura. If you want to ask them what their name is, you can say come ti chiami. Okay, come ti chiami, it means what is your name. And if you want to say it's a pleasure to meet you, instead of saying piacere di conoscerti, you would simply say piacere. It's just, quick and easy way of saying it's a pleasure to meet you. Piacere. Okay, so if you want to say how are you, you would say come stai. So rather than saying come sta lei in formal, you'd say come stai. And if they ask you, you'd say sto bene, grazie. E tu? I'm well, thank you. And you? And then if you want to say bye, see you later, have a good day, something like that, you would simply say ciao, or a domani, I'll see you tomorrow. A domani, until tomorrow. I'll see you later. A più tardi. A più tardi. I'll see you later, or until later. Until. Più tardi, more later. And the most common way to say I'll see you later is ci vediamo. So we'll see each other. So if you want to say ci vediamo, just leave it at that. That's fine. If you want to say ci vediamo dopo, I'll see you after. Ci vediamo più tardi, I'll see you later. Ci vediamo domani, I'll see you tomorrow. Or simply, ciao, ci vediamo, I'll see you when I see you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.